Here's a Encon Casanova ceiling fan, manufactured probably in the early to mid 80s. Yeah, I'll give this a demo. Starting with low, this capacitor is failing in this. Yeah, it goes quite slow. There's low. They said if it goes out, they'll give it to me. A lot of people hate these light fixtures, but on this one, oh, I don't think it looks that bad. I like it. But yeah, you can see it's kind of going really slow. So here's medium. I'm gonna let this speed up. Yeah, that's not high yet. Okay, that's probably medium. I don't know. Yeah, it really needs a little work. It needs a new capacitor in this one. Overall, it's actually a good fan. A lot of collectors seem to like these. I know Daniel Groundwater likes these. Yeah, here's high speed. Yeah, it's not going to go really that fast. It's going to look like it's medium. Yeah, it's sad. It's sad. You got the light switch there. There's something grinding in there. But yeah, that's high. It does move air for how slow it's going. I mean, it does alright in this room. And yeah, I'll turn this off. And that's it for this. Thanks for watching.